Hey gang, Rod Egan here, Worldwide Auctioneers, standing here in our facility for the upcoming 55th annual Auburn Auction and Show. Labor Day weekend, hundreds of cars, phenomenal event. People come from all over the world to see us in Auburn, the ACD Festival, and of course our auction. Big car events. If it's not on your calendar, if you've never been, get it on your calendar. It's one of those check-the-box deals that you need to do if you're a car person at all. Some of the great stuff you're going to see, and you can see behind me, there's already some stuff coming in here. Standing beside this car, one of my favorite muscle cars of the era. The 60s, of course, some of the best cars built in terms of muscle cars, and none finer, arguably, than some of the cars that the legend Carroll Shelby built. This car, 1967, probably one of the most iconic years for the Shelbys in terms of the Shelby Mustang. Phenomenal car. This car, original, numbers matching engine, 4-speed, so those are the two most important things that people look at in terms of what sets them apart from all the others. And then you dive into the level of the restoration, and the restoration of this car is fantastic. It's incredible. You look under the hood, stampings, numbers are all right. This car is one of the very best ones. Documented with a build sheet and the Deluxe Marti Report. And as you can see, it is a great color combination, and it is ready to be driven, ready to be enjoyed. You just want to have some art in your garage, your stable, your collection. This fits in. It's one of those cars I call a crossover car. If you collect pre-war cars, if you collect sports cars, if you have your if you want a singular, unique, additional, excellent, high-quality muscle car, a good performance car to put in your collection, this would make a great addition. If you're in the market for one at all, come and see us. Come and see us anyway. It's one of the greatest car weekends around. Auburn Auction, Labor Day weekend. Hope to see you there.